Changing a ball valve. As with all plumbing jobs, isolate the water to the appliance. Remove the cistern lid and flush. Disconnect the ball valve by removing the retaining nut at the side. Unscrew the ball valve float, as this item can be reused. Most arms are purchased without the float. Screw the float onto the new arm. Position this in the cistern. Adjust the back nut so that the fitting extends to the correct distance through the cistern. Put on a sealing washer and insert. Connect to the locking nut and hand tighten. Remove the old fibre washer, replacing this with a new one. To maintain a watertight seal, offer the swivel up to the fitting, taking care not to cross-thread it. Tighten with adjustable spanners. Turn on the water supply and fill up the cistern.